vacation! Beach party! Here I come! But why there is no mirror in the room? Oh, I must have something in my beauty bag. Oh no, I forgot all my makeup.
Ah! Palm trees, sun, and silence! Woo! Huh? What's happened? Barbie, why are you crying?
Party no makeup, forgot!
Got it. Well, don't you worry. Hey, Sue! Susie, where are you? Can we help our dear Barbie with the beauty supplies?
Certainly. Don't worry, Barbie. You'll definitely make it to the party.
See? No more tears!
Okay, to make a luxurious mirror, we need clay. I know, unexpected, right? Just wait until I finish. First, I'm gonna give this piece of pink clay a good roll-up. Also, the base for the sink will be made of an unusual material. Wait a second, it was supposed to be right here.
Come on, Barbie! That's the last piece!
And our fort is ready!
What? A fort? Ugh, guys, you could help me with crafting, you know? I'm talking about you, Sammy!
Oopsie! Sorry, I got carried away a little bit.
Okay, I'm not mad. Besides, I have an idea about how we could use your fort for our craft. We will simply wrap it around with clay like this. And we'd better make the clay stick really well.
I know it's not much, but this is all I've managed to craft so far!
This is great, just what we need.
Let me grab a bite, and we'll keep going. There is no good in working with an empty stomach. Hey!
Sorry, Sammy, but you literally were eating out of the sink.
Give me back that sauce! Wait, did you say sink? Then I'm sorry for that strike.
Uh-oh. For makeup to apply smoothly, your face must be clean. Luckily, we will have water. And the doors for the cabinet. It is going to be very spacious to store all the beauty products. I wonder what's Sam doing back there?
Come on, Sammy, strike a pose!
Admiring glances, fame, paparazzi. Whee!
Wow, you'd make a great model. But let's better finish making that mirror Barbie wanted so desperately. I need more clay here. Uh-huh. We're nearly done. Oh, Sammy, did you bring rhinestones for the mirror?
No, they are for me. Fashion Week can't wait. Hey, I want to be a model!
You can become anything you want, Sammy. And you don't need rhinestones to shine. Well, I like how our mirror turned out. What do you say, Barbie? Do you like it?
That can't be true! I forgot my hairdryer and comb, too!
Don't worry, everything is thought through. I have a lot of air clay. And we can easily make whatever we need. Trust me. Even a hairdryer. Let's not forget about the necessary details for the hairdryer to work well. Here you go. Now, your hairdo will be perfect.
Not without a proper comb! You're lucky I'm on it! Check this out!
Thanks, Sammy. All that is left for me to do is to make bristles for the comb. Voila!
Shiver me, Chatters! How did I manage to get so dirty? I better clean up!
It's good that you reminded me. Here is the soap.
Good crafting, Sue. And right about time! Ooh, that invigorating freshness! Wait! Why am I itching all over? Ow! Your soap didn't help me, Sue!
I think I know what's going on here. Your skin must be too dry, Sammy. It just needs to be moisturized, like this.
Wow, it's all gone! Thanks! It's one really cool and revitalizing craft we've made. Staples! Free staples! Does anyone need staples?
I'll take them. Actually, we won't need the staples themselves, only their package. This is going to be a beauty box for travel. We just need to give it the right shape.
Well, Did I get you right, Susie?
You did. Our beauty box will fit a lot of cosmetics. So here comes the compartment number 1. And this will be the compartment number 2. And 3, actually. How can we make everything hold together?
Isn't that why you always have some glue in store?
Exactly. I completely forgot about it. You are a genius, Sammy.
Oh, this is flattering, Sue. Keep praising me.
Barbie, what do you think? Will this be enough for you? Can I start coloring?
Wait, let's add another top drawer, shall we? I already made it. Here.
Oh, it's such a great idea. Now we can attach a mirror to the lid so that it's always at hand. Now, we can definitely start the coloring, but so that it looks really bright, we need some white first. So, Barbie, what color would you like me to make your beauty box? I've got all of them here. Well, except for pink.
What? But pink is my favorite color. Why is everything wrong today?
Don't panic. Sam has everything under control. Take this, Sue, and proceed. Barbie, wait!
Alrighty.
Oh, my precious. From now on, we will always be together.
Excuse me.
She really loves pink. Whoa!
Oh, Sammy, be careful. You're pink too, you know? Now let's start filling in our beauty box. The top drawer is a perfect fit for the eyeshadow palette. But I don't seem to have more shiny foam paper.
Yeah, sorry about that. I was testing my new hole puncher and, well…
This is exactly what we need for our craft.
Really? Then you should check out my makeup. Isn't it inspiring?
Actually, it is. Now I know what colors to pick for the eyeshadows. I'm going to start with blue. And then I will make all the colors of the rainbow.
Looks good. But how will Barbie apply them? You forgot about the brush?
Nope, I didn't. I will make it from a piece of a plastic straw. I also have this large brush. I'm sure it won't matter if we take some bristles. Now, we will just put everything together with the help of our trusty glue. Let's make it look pretty as well. It's Barbie's makeup brush after all. There. You know, I think we are missing something else here. Why don't we also make the glitter eyeshadows? First, we'll create a palette. Or should I better say 2 palettes? At least 4 shades must fit in here. I hope Barbie will like my choice of colors.
Oh, Sammy, this shape looks perfect on my nails.
Glad to hear that, because I'm out of nail polish, you know.
What? Oh, no, not again.
Don't worry, I was just about to make a few. Look!
Susie, these are just wooden skewers.
Not for long, check this out! Now we'll cut off the excess. And fix the beads in their places with some hot glue. How about painting everything your favorite color, Barbie? Well, we're almost done. These are beautiful, right?
Ah, now I see what you meant. Here, let me help you.
Perfect!
They are so beautiful and shiny. I'm even kind of jealous. Oh, we completely forgot about lipstick. Hurry up, Sue, or we won't make it before the beach party starts.
Oh, you're right! We must hurry!
I suggest the shade of Tibetabian coral. It's trendy.
Are you sure? Because I haven't heard of this. Although, it looks very nice. Our nail polishes and lipsticks are going to be stored here, in the bottom drawer. Everything must fit in here perfectly. And of course, here goes the mirror.
Make way, Susie. I want to add sparkle and luxury to the whole thing.
What a great idea, Sammy.
Come on this way, and no peeking. Carefully. Now you can look.
Ow! Thanks, you guys. It's amazing. Well, let's start getting ready for the party.
Sure, hairdo comes first. Now let's deal with your skin.
Oh, this cream smells so great.
And I perfectly know what color of the eyeshadows will be perfect for a beach party. Just give me a second. I will find a perfect tint for your lips, and then you'll take a look. Okay? There you go.
Don't forget about the nails, girls!
Uh-huh. This color looks great on you.
Wow, I look beautiful. Thanks again, guys. I gotta go.
I think we did a great job today.
Agreed. We made a nice craft, and our friend Barbie is happy.
And you, friends, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
It's like a camera, only it captures the sights and smells. Just push this little button.
Marie's in the house. Princess Marie, what are you doing here?
Besides ruining a perfectly good moment.
Antoinette cannot stop sneezing, and it's driving me crazy. That's why I'm here to spend the day with you.
Sorry, Princess Marie, but we were just about to go on an expedition to find the sapphire-spotted butterfly.
I love expeditions. Let's go.
But our carriage is, kind of small.
What he means is that we'd love for you to come. It will just be a little crowded for a princess like yourself. Then, maybe the unicorn ought to stay home. I'll be in the carriage.
I should be insulted, but I'm not.
Why did you invite her?
Because it's the polite thing to do. We'll make sure to still have fun, I promise.
If you could capture the memory for me, I'd be forever thankful.
Of course, Countess Elizabeth. Oh, watch the bumps.
You try pulling this thing!
Your cat horse is rude, and this carriage ride is boring. Well, we could play a game. Perfect. Let's play 20 questions all about me. Okay, first question. What's my favorite dessert? Look!
Oh,
The sapphire-spotted butterfly must have been here.
I think it's flew that way. Follow that trail, Sir Kitty Cat.
Are we playing my game or not? Question number 97. What is your favorite color?
Isn't the point of 20 questions, to stop at 20?
There's the butterfly.
Oh! It's so beautiful! Quick, grab the memorizer! Oh! Now remember, be very quiet. Pink is my favorite color.
You scared it away.
So, I didn't do it on purpose. I was just telling you my favorite color, since nobody bothered to guess. Oh, I don't think you want me here. Of course we want you here.
Speak for yourself.
Sir Kitty Cat, but Princess Marie, we came to see the butterfly, and we want to capture a memory of the butterfly. Fine, let's go find your butterfly.
There it is again!
This time we really have to be super quiet. Why are you looking at me?
Keep your eye on her. I think she's up to something.
I'll take that butterfly. Achoo! What are you doing? You can't capture that butterfly. We can do whatever we want. We're royalty. Achoo! We knew you and your royal court would be able to find the butterfly. Why should we have to do all the work to find it when we could let you find it for us? Bye-bye.
I knew something funny was going on.
I've never liked those two.
Well, Princess Billy, the trees and flowers have told me the sapphire-spotted butterfly is in trouble. We know the twins have captured it. Oh, captured it. But oh no, you must free it at once. If the butterfly is held captive, it'll lose its magic forever. Calm down, Zsa Zsa. We'll save the butterfly.
But how are we going to get the butterfly from the twins?
They tricked us, so we'll have to trick them back. Huh? Sydney, I almost fell and crushed a new pet. Who are you? I'm Dr. Fingelworthy, and this is my fellow doctor. There has been a breakout of sneeziatitis, and we have to check everyone. Sneeziatitis? That sounds serious. It is, miss, and believe me, you don't want to let it go untreated. Open your mouth, please, and say,
Oh dear, not good. Not good at all.
Oh, what is it? Tell me! We need to do further examinations. Open wide and say, oh!
Dr. Bingleworthy, I don't think I've seen a case quite this serious.
I agree. It's worse than I thought. Oh no! Am I gonna live? This kind of news is never easy to give. You have a bad case of double sneeziatitis. This is all your fault. It is not. It is so. You didn't sneeze so much, we would all be fine. It means you shouldn't fool people and trick them into helping you do something bad. Huh? But we do bad things all the time. That's how we have fun. Well, your fun is over, and the sapphire spotted butterfly is free. Huh? That's a butterfly.
No, it isn't. It belongs to everyone.
You may have won this time, Princess Billy, but next time might not be so good for you. If you don't stop sneezing, I'm gonna find a new twin sister.
Princess Billy, I think Countess Elizabeth would like this memory.
I have a better idea. We decided it was too cool for you not to see it with your own eyes.
You're a most thoughtful friend.
I think somebody needs a cuddle!
Don't spoil the moment, honey cuddles. Princess Billy, we are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. Marie, Truman and I don't want to play fashion show.
I don't like fashion very much.
We want to play our own game, but you're welcome to play with us if you want.